Ya, halo teman-teman, kembali lagi di RPG Journey kita. Kali ini kita akan memainkan game ini, teman-teman. Belum pernah, seperti biasa belum pernah memainkannya. Tapi ya udahlah, kita mengerti bersama nanti di game lah ya. Oke, kita mulai permainan Hexyz Force. Let's go. Apa nih? Bisa milih karakter. Oh, cuma dua. Kita cobain cewek dulu ya. Berarti ada dua story ya. I had returned to the holy vessel and remained alone. A long time ago, Norvia, goddess of creation, descended upon earth with the holy vessel in hand. Norvia brought order and light to the chaos of the ancient earth to protect her gift to the world. Norvia formed the divinity. Alvina, Arjen, and Ilnada. Aliet, Elge, Rivelius, and Fer. Dualis, Grepes, Luo, and Skoll. Dauro, Corneo, Terial, banyak banget. People enjoy the abyss and tranquility. If only it had less. Like enjoy the run of the gods. Nih kuat nih ambil merekam gini. Kalau kemarin gua ngetes sih ini guys, kuat ya, nggak sambil direkam. Living of prayers, like candles, now painted of night, everyone was good. When I repast and bed fell, I was alone, I watched you for slumber. And so the holy vessel began anew. The force of the awakening for several generation. In time, peace return to God as it also become yet deep in the unknown. It's a bit of the forgotten drops there, yet the Palvina of the harvest, the pillar of the pearl light, the divinity who saw past judgment upon birth. I'm overjoyed. Aku terlalu menikmatinya. To see you again. PS1. Oh iya nih ada ceritanya guys. The Maiden of the Holy Staff. Aduh, udah filmnya copyright kayak. Mudah-mudahan enggak. Oh, ini lagi menyembah apa dia? Gereja, kayak lagi di gereja. Iya deh. Iya ada voice guys. Gokil.
Hey, you're skipping service?
Oh, aduh.
Elda's gonna get mad.
Copyright kah?
Oh, shut up. It's so boring.
Huh?
Those strange clothes. Who is he? Besides, even if I do pray, it won't ever change anything.
Hey, you call yourself a cleric?
Whatever. It's too nice to stay inside. It's a shame to waste such a nice day.
Oh dia binatang summon ya? Bisa
What
masuk di dalam tubuhnya.
What is that?
Ini cewek ini. Apa nih? Oh, beneran.
Wait!
Ada animenya kah?
What's going on here?
Chibi, seperti biasa Chibi. Oh, Cecilia namanya. Hey, your heart pretty bad. What happened? Oh, di atas serem amat. What's happening? Who are you, blasphemer? How dare you this temple? Oh ini kuil deh, yang descendant of the noble black dragon, ruler of the earth. Are you the leader here? Yes, that's right. Petus, did you say? Wait, why are you doing this? First tell me this, where is the monolith? Monolith? Monolith apa guys? Di ini nih kayak penting. Monolith? What do you intend to do with it? That is none of your concern. If you want answer, I'll do whatever it takes to find it, even if it means killing every living thing in this land. Waduh, mau dilawan sama dia. Aduh, senjatanya ini yang gadang ya Pak. Ya algojo nih, masuk money man. Penny human. You think you can stand up to me? Hopefully. Lah, gitu. See, crossing you pitiful friends. Easy, but if I did, I would not be able to complete my mission. Now I will ask you one more time, where is the monolith? This child Julia, you're so you. It is a divine stone infused with the power of origin force. I'm certain that it is here. If you do not answer me immediately, you will be making your way back to the holy place, and the rest of your race will be following soon behind. Wait, he's just a regular cleric. He doesn't know anything. It's useless trying to get anything out of her. Well, if she does not know anything, then I have no use for her. Hanya berserang cok. I will just kill her. What? What's the problem? No, Cecilia, run. What? Kau betul kamu anjir dijegat kamu. If you really think you could escape that easily, what? Oh, dipukul. Wah, kenapa nih? Wah, diselamatin biasanya kayak gini-gini nih musiknya nih, suara-suaranya. Divine Herit Hexyz Pulpy. Oh, what? Who's there? Wah, ya. Di teleport. What? What? Where am I? And those guys? What's that? Wonder what it. Ditransport lagi gua. Gia. What is this? Nih Onicaaaangg ini karakternya. What's going on? And where am I? Can you hear my voice? Oh, is that voice I just heard? Who are you? You're the one who saved me, right? The name is Norvia. Oh, ini si Norvia. I'm the wielder of the holy vessel, ruling over creation of destruction. I'm the mother of life. You, Hexyz. Oh, ini Hexyz child, who has inherited the force of Palestina, the divine pillar of the pearl light, the horror of judgment, for birds draw near. It is a time of destiny, decided by the holy vessel. Now you must choose a future for yourself. Do you want creation giving birth to force, or do you want destruction returning force to the holy vessel? According to the ancient law, you must find the hero of the sword and brave of the spear. Together you shall travel to the holy land. Wait, what do you mean? The horror of judgment? The holy land? What are you talking about? The holy vessel is tilting toward destruction. Those who desire destruction are already taking action. If this continues, birds will be judged. destructive, and the still one awakened to return back to the chaos. If you wish for a future of creation, then stop them. Who seek destruction, this is the only way to save them. What is this? It's not a dream, is it? I bestow upon you the holy staff. Oh, kita dikasih deh. Ini important item apa equipment nih jatuh ya nih? What's this? It feels strange. Oh, ada. Put an internal ritual message to resonate you go. Katanya. Yes. Oh. Just get off me. Wih, keluar dia. Iya bener nih kayak masuk badannya si Cecilia deh, ini si Ralu. You're so heavy. It was gonna die. Apa dia masuk ke kok dia langsung megang dada Cecilia. Hey, where are you zoning out? Are you alright? Oh, Ralu. Stop. Nah iya, tongkatnya mana guys? It's weird. I could swear that I touched that altar and then got warped to some strange place. What are you talking about? You've been laying here ever since we got warped to this strange place. Oh really? I must been dreaming. I wonder what that was all about. Hey, maybe you're just groggy. Meanwhile, I was over here getting crushed. It was awful. Yes. Let's just get out of here, okay? Get out of here. Where is here anyway? It's what we need to find out. Gabby, come on, let's go. Let's see. Hey, check this out. There's something here. Move pakai itu. Oh, oke. Segitiga open menu. Kotak currently not use anjing. Gak usah ditulis, goblok. Slow movement while held. Rotate kamera. Oke. Select display wall map not use. Start. Restore. Efek. Restore pakai FP guys. Tadi dulu guys. Segitiga kan. Oh ini kita bisa ngeliat ini ya. Apa yang diucapkan terakhir. Oke. I know that. Option dulu kali. Option dulu guys. Setting. Minimap appropriation on mission. Cursor memory battle voice. Oke. Kita nggak usah lah ya. Nah ini dari PSP. Coba map. Wow. Buntu. Kalau kuning tuh kayak pintu deh. Teleport jatuhnya bukan pintu anjing. Say, that was a surprise. What the? Hey, where are we? I think I've seen this place before. No, this is it. Oh, I remember. It's the second basement floor of the Great Temple of Palpina. I've been here once before, a long time ago. Really? Well, I'm glad it's at least some American family. But why were we transported here? Like I have any? Probably behind you. Ada apa nih, monster kah? Siluman kelawar, cok. What are we gonna do? We're gonna run? Use the holy staff. You have inherited Palpina force. That voice again. Who are you? What do you mean holy staff? What are you talking about? We're dead meat if we don't run. Wih, bisa dipanggil. Oh, ternyata tuh gaib, guys, gaib. Nah, ini RPG, bro.
Can't we just get along?
RP raksa poin di sini ya. Gak pakai mana ataupun mana. Gak pakai mana ataupun MP. Skill, the battle was way efforts to cause configure ability, but the text you greater than must have condition meet valid name. Oke. Oh, ada nextnya juga nih. Oke. Aku ini duluan. Ya anjing. Skill. RP1. Oh, ini pakai MP seperti apa? Oh, ini nggak bisa. Oke, kita bantai. Pakai ini. Oh, belum bisa jarang pakai ini sih. Yang itu. Tapi langsung gue bantai sih.
What's this power?
Sini musuhnya nggak kelihatan juga ya. Kelihatan juga guys. What happened? Did you remember? You put a big step out of nowhere and started fighting with it. Oh, speaking. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Sorry ya kalau gue udah batuk. Masih anak body gue nih, pilek-pilek gitu. Come on, let's go. Let's get out of here before any more was thrown out. Bentar guys, di sini ada. Oh, begini ya guys. Tapi ada. Oh, kok ini ya basement 1F ya? Iya, bisa tuh. Tapi kayak ini apa ya? Monster kan? Kalau ada monster mah kita grinding namanya ya guys. Monster kelihatan apa enggak? Wah, ketemu siapa ini? Yang traveler. Oh, yang tadi ya? Ya nggak sih? Yang tadi di film. Hey. What are you doing here? There are monsters everywhere. I've been wondering the same thing. Wah, ada monster lagi, cok. Alright, I have this. Battle bareng nih. Let's stop. What it be? Are you a Hexyz? Are you the maiden of this stuff? Huh, what are you talking about? Oh, I get it now. That's why you're in this place. Come on, let's fight together. My name is Rafael Gemini. Anjay, cocok banget sama gua, Juni Gemini, cok. Just like you, I've inherited the force of the divinities. I'm a Hexyz. Oh, dia? Oh, Hexyz tuh kayak yang punya kekuatan bisa manggil senjata-senjata ini gak sih? Gak tahu sih, gua juga. We'll talk after we defeat them. Let's go.
I'll give it all I've got.
Give it all I've got. Apa nih? Combat basic, different effect point. There are three different evolution notice: the cerulean flame and the pearl one. This aspect exists. Strength, attack, glowing, strong, but skill attack. Antar aja sambil jalan lah ya kita belajarnya. Learning by doing gitu. Wah, 40 prestasi juga dia. Max, MP cuma 28, RP. Kita bantai dia aja nih. Wah, dia jauh. Wih, misunya gokil. guys. Sampai pain. Why is the sorry guys. You've got some serious explaining to do. What are those things? Be quiet. Wait. Strong force. Alhamdulillah. Okay, happy. Don't worry, everything will work out. After all, you're okay. First, it's an energy one to reduce RP consumption and skill wait time. Increase skill power. Use the alternate skills. Okay. Oh, bisa gitu. Oh, ini rak nafak, cok. Oh, power. Naikin siapa nih, guys? Bikin dia aja kali dulu ya. Anjing, fokus di dia dong. Aku ngapain?